Magkano isa?
40 po, sir.
20.
Taga sampo?
Baguio?
Ay, Bagyo daw sila.
11. Taga Baguio daw itong huli.
Itong huli.
Dalawa lang sila.
Hanggang dito lang yung sementado ah. Kasi nagkado din doon.
Sakay na tayo.
Sakay na lang. Ito.
Delikado kuya.
Baba na ako. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3, baba. Oo. Yan.
Ayun yung sinasabi kong parang bahay.
Ayun yung sa kabila pala. Yan. So, welcome to Parang Hills. So, abutin lang ng mga 10 to 15 minutes ride galing dun sa town ng Dilasag. So, ang entrance fee dito is 20 pesos per head. So, usually yung mga rides ng mga pumunta dito, yung malalaking sasakyan o di kaya motor. So, may hirapan yung low rise na mga sasakyan. Pero, yan. Look at the view. Yan. So, napakagandang green, open green grassland by the sea. So, come and explore Northern Aurora.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Ayan, so galing dun sa may signage ng Parang Hills. Explore naman natin yung kabilang dulo. Okay, so yung part daw na to is sinasabi nila na burial grounds ng mga katutubo. So again, and look at the view of Parang Hills.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. We're smiling on top of the world.
tayo sa drone shots natin ngayong hapon. So far amazing shots. So yan, sama yung tricycle driver, tour guide slash driver, Sir Ian, si Ian. So hopefully magising, so ito yung vibes niya ng hapon or sunset. So try naman natin bukas, hopefully magising kami ng maaga, makapunta kami ng maaga. Try naman natin i-check kung ano yung vibe niya or morning. And so ganito yung experience pag sumakay kayo sa tricycle driver na no?
Sorry dyan.
So pagpunta nyo dito, iwasan nyo siya. Sorry.
The next day.
Explore ulit natin ang Parang Hills din. And subukan naman natin yung morning vibes ng Parang Hills. And so good morning. It's exactly 5:35 AM. So wala kaming tricycle ngayon.
Ay, ito yung tricycle driver kahapon.
Para lang tayo mag-hike ngayon sa Mount Yangbu. So parang subukan naman nating explore ang Parang Hills by foot. And yan, try natin mag-abang dito sa taas ng sunrise. Mapapansin din natin sa grassland ng Parang Hills, may mga pitcher plants dito na akala ko is nabubuhay lang yung mga pitcher plants sa mataas na elevation. Yan, punta ulit tayo dun sa may dulo, yung pinuntahan namin kahapon. Ayun, taas na yung araw.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things
Maagang-maaga pero medyo marami na yung tao dito. So try naman natin i-explore yung part ng Parang Hills na medyo malapit sa may dagat.
I
everybody knows. Yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking of every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch. I find it so hard knowing that you are just my drug. And I find it so hard knowing you treated me like a mark. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I don't already know you can.
And so kagaling lang namin sa South Park ng Parang Hills. So it's only 6:45 AM pero medyo may kainitan na. Kaya yun nga, yung recommended time para mamasyal dito is sunrise and sunset. So again, yung South Park is dati daw is burial grounds ng mga tribu dito. So pupuntahan naman natin ulit yung North Park kung saan nandun yung signage ng Parang Hills. Oh, ayos ka lang yan?
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Ayan, so 7:40 AM, so it's time to go down. So ayan, napakaganda and relaxing din yung morning experience dito sa Parang Hills. So yun, the usual, karamihan ng pumupunta dito ay may mga rides, nakamotor, nakasasakyan. Pero yan, trinay lang namin mag by foot ngayon. Ayos ka lang yan. Mainit. Pero nga kahit ano, parang before 8 AM pa lang, medyo may kainitan na. Pero ayan, very satisfying yung mamasyal dito sa may Parang Hills ng Dilasag, Northern part ng Aurora Province. So come and explore Northern Aurora. Yeah.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when